Most people think starting a business means building the next Apple or Tesla. But while everyone else is losing money trying to be flashy, smart investors are quietly getting rich off the most boring businesses on earth. Businesses are so lazy and automated, they literally dump cash into your bank account while you sleep. Today, we're breaking down 10 lazy businesses people use to escape the 9-to-5. Business number 1, automated laundromats. While the average business owner spends all day fighting with employees, tracking inventory, and stressing over daily sales, a laundromat owner plays a completely different game. They buy coin-operated machines once, let the machines do 100% of the labor, and collect clean cash while they sleep. It is pure cash flow with zero inventory headache. Business number 2, vending machine routes. This is pure financial geometry. You purchase a machine, place it in a high-traffic office break room or busy warehouse waiting room, and walk away. Your entire job transforms into showing up once a week, restocking the snacks, and emptying out a box full of dollar bills. It is the ultimate low-overhead, low-effort asset. Now, business number 3 is actually the highest-yielding asset on our list this year, and almost nobody is paying attention to it. But before we break down how it works, if you are serious about changing your family's financial bloodline forever, hit that subscribe button right now. We drop hidden wealth strategies every single week, and you don't want to miss the next one. Business number 3, self-storage units. Think about it. This is literally just renting out concrete boxes. You don't have to deal with broken toilets, middle-of-the-night emergency maintenance calls, or angry tenants. People pay you automatically month after month, just to store their extra junk in a room you rarely ever visit. Business number 4, car washes. Specifically, the completely automated touchless bay systems. Customers drive up, swipe their card, drive in, and a machine cleans their vehicle. You don't need a massive team of employees scrubbing down cars. You just need to keep the chemicals stocked and ensure the water pumps are running. It is a high-margin, recession-proof business that prints money every time it rains, or right after it stops. Business number 5, commercial pressure washing. Instead of washing driveways for homeowners, you target commercial contracts. Think storefronts, parking lots, and drive-thrus for fast food chains. These businesses are legally or corporate mandated to stay clean, meaning they sign recurring monthly or quarterly contracts. You hire a single technician, provide the industrial equipment, and let them execute the route while you collect a massive spread on the contract value. Business number 6, billboard advertising. This is the ultimate lazy real estate. You don't build a house, you build a steel pole on a small patch of highway land. Local businesses pay you thousands of dollars a month just to keep their logo facing the traffic. With digital billboards, it gets even lazier. You can switch out the ads from your laptop at home in 30 seconds, selling the same physical space to 6 different advertisers simultaneously. Business number 7, automated ice vending machines. Unlike traditional vending machines, these don't require you to buy, transport, or restock inventory. You hook the machine up to a local water line and electricity grid. The machine freezes the water, bags the ice, and sells it to customers completely on autopilot. Your raw material cost is literally just pennies of tap water, which you flip for pure profit all summer long. Business number 8, ATM routes. Despite the rise of digital payments, cash is still king in specific spots, like bars, nightclubs, festivals, and cash-only convenience stores. You buy a few machines, place them in cash-heavy venues, and charge a $3 to $4 convenience fee on every single transaction. The machine does the work, the customer pays the fee, and your only task is occasionally refilling the cash vault. Business number 9, dumpster and trailer rentals. Contractors, roofers, and everyday people moving houses always need to haul away trash. You buy a couple of heavy-duty utility trailers or roll-off dumpsters, list them online, and drop them off at a client's location. They do all the back-breaking work of loading their junk into it. A few days later, you drive back, pick up the trailer, haul it to the landfill, and cash a massive check for a few hours of driving. Business number 10, mobile billboard trucks. Instead of buying expensive highway land, you buy a standard box truck. wrap the sides in high-resolution LED screens, and hire a driver to navigate busy downtown areas, sports stadiums, or convention centers. Brands will pay an absolute premium to have their advertisements moving right where the crowds are. It is a hyper-scalable, high-paying asset that runs entirely on a single driver's shift. The truth is, escaping the 9-to-5 doesn't require reinventing the wheel. It just requires owning assets that work harder than you do. Pick one of these boring businesses, commit to mastering it, and stop trading your hours for pennies. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, click on the video on your screen right now where we break down the exact framework to fund your first asset. See you there.